Welcome to online classes of Triveni Memorial Senior Secondary School. Hello students, how are you? Hope you are fine. Students, today we will do chapter number 6, Our Food from the EVS. Let us start reading of this chapter. We all need food. We need food to get energy to work and play, become strong and healthy, grow. We get food from plants and animals. Food from plants, we get fruits and vegetables from plants. Students, we all need food. Why do we need food? Yes, we need food to get energy, and energy is used to work, play, study, run. And it also helps to become, food also helps to become strong and healthy, and it helps us to grow. Students, we get food from both plants as well as animals. We get food from plants in form of fruits, vegetables, pulses, cereals, etc. Now look at the pictures and name the following fruits and vegetables. Use a help box. Students, here you can see some pictures of fruits and vegetables. With the help box, by using help box, you have to fill the names of fruits or vegetables. Students, let us see what is this. Yes, this is a banana. What is this? This is an apple. And these are the grapes. And this is mango. Do you like mango? And what are these? These are lady's finger. And these are potatoes. What is this? Yes, this is vegetable cauliflower. And what are these? These are the brinjals. Now, let us continue reading. We also get food grains from plants like wheat, rice and maize. Students, we can get food from the plants in form of food grains like wheat. You can see picture of rice, wheat. Now food from the animals. We get food from the animals in form of meat. We get meat from the animals, eggs also from animals, and the fish also. And the paneer, butter and ghee, these all are the milk products. We make butter, cheese, ghee and ice cream from the milk. Now eating time. We eat 3 meals in a day. We must have our meals at fixed times. We take breakfast in the morning. We should always have a glass of milk with breakfast. Students, we have 3 meals in a day: breakfast, lunch and dinner. Breakfast we take in the morning, and lunch we take in the afternoon, and the dinner we take in the night. And you must contain glass of milk in your breakfast, because milk is a complete food, and we should drink at least 2 glasses of milk every day. And in the lunch, we take lunch in the afternoon. We should eat chapatis, rice, dal and vegetable during the lunch. When do we take lunch? Yes, we take lunch in the afternoon, and in the lunch you should contain chapatis, rice, dal, vegetable and salad also. Now let us talk about the dinner. We take dinner at night, and dinner should be light. We should always have a glass of milk with dinner. Students, you should take dinner at the night, and dinner should be light. It should not be heavy. And in the dinner also you must contain a glass of milk with dinner. As I already told, milk is a complete food. Milk is a complete food. And we should eat our meals at the right time. Students, we should take our meals at the right time. It keeps us strong and healthy. Now let us discuss about good food habits. Always have good food habits. You must wash your hands before and after every meal. Eat slowly, chew the food well, drink plenty of water every day, not eat uncovered food, not overeat. Student, what are the good food habits? Yes, always wash your hands before and after every meal. You should eat slowly and you should chew the food well. You should drink plenty of water every day. You should drink at least 7 or 8 glasses of water in a day, and you should not eat uncovered food, and don't overeat, students. You know, students, oily foods and cold drinks are not good for health. And if you eat too many sweets, toffees and chocolates, it can spoil your teeth also. So students, say no to chocolates, toffees, puri, sweets and cold drink. Let us do the exercise of these chapters. Tick the correct answer. In this you have to read the questions and tick in front of the right option. We make butter from vegetable, fruits and milk. Yes students, milk. We make butter from the milk. Tick in front of milk. The meal that we take in the morning is called, what do you call? It's dinner, breakfast or lunch? Yes, we call it breakfast. Tick in front of breakfast. Next is match correctly. You have to match correctly. Banana, brinjal, rice. What is banana? Yes, it's a fruit. Match with fruit. Brinjal, what is brinjal? It's a vegetable. Match with vegetable. And what is rice? Yes, it is a food grain. Now name the following 2 fruits you like the most. In this you have to write your favorite fruits. As mango, apple, you can write any fruit's name which you like the most. You can write here grapes also. Okay, 2 vegetables you like the most. Your favorite vegetables you have to write here. Potato, cauliflower. 2 things that you like to have for breakfast. Milk, bread. And 2 things you should avoid. What you have to avoid? Yes, cold drinks, toffees, burger, chocolates, puris. Now next question is, tick the correct answer. Dash is a complete food. What is a complete food, students? Milk. We should eat. How should you eat, students? Slowly, in a hurry or both? No. It's a bad habit to eat your food in a hurry. You should eat your food slowly. It's a good habit to eat your food slowly. Now it's time to learn the difficult words, students. Energy, E-N-E-R-G-Y. Strong, S-T-R-O-N-G. Healthy, H-E-A-L-T-H-Y. Vegetables, V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S. Wheat, W-H-E-A-T. Rice, R-I-C-E. Maize, M-A-I-Z-E. Meat, M-E-A-T. Butter, B-U-T-T-E-R. Breakfast, B-R-E-A-K-F-A-S-T. Dinner, D-I-N-N-E-R. Overeat, O-V-E-R-E-A-T. Let us do the question answer of these chapters. Why do we all need food? Yes, students, we all need food to get energy, to work and play. Name 3 food items we get from the plants. Fruits, vegetables, cereals. Next is, write any 4 good food habits. Yes, students, wash your hands before and after every meal. Eat slowly and chew the food properly. And drink plenty of water every day. Okay students, today's your work is to revise this chapter with the help of video. See you again in next video. Bye bye.